All right. I'm going to take a quick moment to address all the crap in my background. I'm putting up new blinds. It's hot in my office. This video is actually about asking for more money. So let's paint this picture real quick. You have a great job, but maybe you wish you were paid a little bit more. So are you thinking about asking for more money? So in an uncertain economy, you might be hesitant. But did you know that 40% of workers say that they're likely to ask for a raise in the next 12 months? That's according to bankrate.com. If you need more encouragement, the Institute for Women's Policy Research reports that full-time working women earn just 83.1% of what men earn weekly. And think about it. All this talk about inflation is filling the headlines right now, especially as the Fed meets and talks about interest rates and everything like that. So as inflation is going up, our salaries are buying less. Here are 4 rules that you can follow when you're ready to get paid for what you're worth. Rule number 1 is knowing your value. What skills, experience, knowledge do you bring to a company? In other words, what do you have to offer that others don't? You want to support this with why you should be paid more. Make a list highlighting what your superpowers are and demonstrate your value add. This is not a time to be humble. The second rule is compare your comp. Before you decide on what you're going to ask for a new salary, make sure that you understand what industry standards are. You can find great information on this at sites like PayScale, Salary List, Salary.com. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to build a stronger case by doing all that homework first. The third one is just be confident. In rule number 1, you've identified and you've owned your value. Now don't be afraid to ask for it. You are negotiating for what you deserve. Doubt kills dreams way more than failure ever will. So set your doubts aside, remain confident, you got this. The last rule, rule 4, is ask so that you can receive. All right? So finally consider this. What do you have to lose? If you don't ask, there's no way that you can get that pay raise. This part takes courage, but you're not going to benefit by putting it off. Now is the time. The worst thing that can happen to you is that somebody says no. Either way, it shows that you've done your homework, you know your value, and you're not afraid to ask for it. And that says a ton about your character. If you found these tips helpful, let us know. See, we're not afraid to ask either. We want to be the champions that help you reach great heights, help you achieve your aspirations, and maybe save some money along the way. So keep us posted. If we can help, just ask by filling out the form below.